In this video, I am going to share you daily mindset principles. If you are an entrepreneur, student, or working professional, then this video is for you. So let's get in. The first one is desire. I know what I desire, but can I get it? You will not have a desire unless you are capable of achieving it. Our desires are modified by our abilities and learnings. Whatever are your desires, it should be yours. By analyzing the desires, you are analyzing your mind. Desires are the accurate pictures of what you will achieve. Every person without patience has no principles of action and no motive to act. If you burn bridges behind you, one day and once for all, this is what I will do, and I will never retreat, I will never go back, then you have sort of desire that can only end with success. The only people who never make mistakes are those who never try anything. Now I'll be sharing you 6 principal steps to follow. So first one is fix in the mind exact money you desired. Second, determine exactly what in return you will give in turn of money. Third, there is no such a reality that something for nothing. Fourth, establish the specific date that you will intend to make. Begin your work to put this plan into action. Fifth, time limit your intent to accumulate. Sixth, the last one, read your statements aloud twice daily, once you retire at night and once you get up early. As you read this, feel and believe yourself that you are already in possession of money. Now the second principle is faith. Faith is the state of mind which may be induced or created by affirmations or repeated instructions to subconscious mind through the principles of conscious autosuggestions. And the conscious autosuggestions are nothing but you by yourself to yourself. Now let me share you some formulas for your self-confidence. The first one is, I know that I have the ability to achieve the objective of my definite purpose of life. Therefore, I demand of myself persistent, continuous action towards its attainment and its promise to render such action. The second formula, I realize that dominant thoughts of mind will eventually reproduce themselves in outward physical action. Therefore, I will devote my thoughts for 30 minutes daily upon the test of the thinking the person I intend to become, therefore creating my mind a clear mental picture of that person. Third, I know through principles of autosuggestions, any desire persistently that I hold in my mind will eventually seek expressions that practical object. Therefore, I will devote 10 minutes daily to demand of myself to development of self-confidence. And I will never stop trying until I have developed sufficient self-confidence for its attainment. Fifth, I fully realize that no wealth or position can long endure unless built upon truth and justice. Therefore, I will not engage in any transactions nor that benefits human effects. I will succeed by attracting myself the forces that I wish to use and cooperation of other people. I will induce others to serve me because of my willingness to serve others. I will eliminate hatred, envy, jealousy, selfishness, and cynicism by developing love to all humanity because I know negative attitude towards others can never bring me success. I will cause others to believe in me because I believe in them and in myself. The third principle is autosuggestions. Through repeated suggestions, the subconscious mind works for us. It is making our mind concentrate on burning desire until subconscious mind accepts the fact and begins to devise the ways to path. Like first, when you go at night and close your eyes and repeat aloud so that you can hear your own words, the written statement of amount of money you can accumulate and time limit you wish to achieve, the service description, your intent to give in return of money. As you affirm your mind with the commitments you make, see yourself to be in the place of your mind. My faith is strong that I can see this money before my eyes and I can touch it with my hands. Repeat this program night and morning in your imaginations, the money you want to accumulate. Third, place a written copy in where you can see it in night and morning and retiring and rise morning until it is memorized. As you are carrying these suggestions, you are applying the principles of autosuggestions. The fourth principle, specialized knowledge. Knowledge is power only when it is organized into definite plan of action, directed into definite end. You must have knowledge to convert your desire you wish to complete in return of money. Always have specialized knowledge and ability to help people. This is only possible with the help of mastermind group. Imagination. Man can create anything he can imagine. whatever the mind can conceive and believe it can achieve. The only limitation to man's mind is the development of use of subsequent motivation. You must develop self-motivation. Think consistently the ways of doing things more efficiently. Think of the changes that are inevitable. Human race was built most nobly when limitations were greatest. Limitations are the best friend of the architecture. As you build your future, don't concern yourself with the limitations. To do organized planning, there are 6 steps for translating desire into organized planning. First, join with your team member for organizing with your plans. Second, what benefits you may get in return to cooperation. No one will work indefinitely with compensation, although this may not be in the form of money. Third, arrange meet with mastermind group at least twice a week and more often. Fourth, maintain harmony with yourself and mastermind group. Seventh, decision. The mastery of procrastination. Procrastination, the opposite of decision, is a common enemy that every man should conquer. A definite objective makes reach prompt decisions that much easier. Reaching decisions quickly and definitely and changing them slowly. When you make up your mind, stay with it. Majority of people who fail is due to the opinion of others. Majority of people who fail is due to the opinion they take from others easily. Opinions are the cheapest commodities on earth. Thousands men are suffering from inferior complexity. All through life because of opinion and ridicule. 8th, persistence. Willpower and desire, when properly combined, will make irresistible pair. Persistence to an individual is what carbon is to steel. This quality is important for any accomplishment. Lack of persistence is a weakness to majority in common to men. It is a weakness to overcome by effort. It is the quality that the men are separated from boys. It is right here. If you keep going extra mile, the sky will be clear. There will be abundance because you had the courage. With persistence comes success. Persistence is the cause of purpose. 9th, power of mastermind. You get ideas with good associations. Always try to associate with individuals of similar mind. Always associate with individuals of similar mind. Second, you get ideas with good association. Third, ideas are the result of association with individuals. Fourth, stimulation of own thinking through the association with other mind creates great ideas. Ideas are the combination of related information. 10th, enthusiasm. It comes with great energy and sparkle. Having someone to love is having to share success and accomplishment. To give a praise. We all need from time to time. Family is the greatest possession. 11th, subconscious mind. It is the field of consciousness that every thought that reaches the objective of mind, it receives same impressions. Subconscious mind works night and day. Keep a clear picture in the mind, the goal which is already accomplished. You know what you want and then project clearly in the emotions of the mind. Man who observes vigilantly and results. As you do this, your subconscious mind will lead you to your logical goals. So please share these thoughts in the comment box on what was your biggest takeaway out of these 11 principles. I would love to read your comments, and once again, if you are watching this on Facebook, please share your comments below. Hit the like symbol, love symbol, maybe share this with somebody or tag a friend who you feel can benefit from this knowledge. And 2, if you are watching on YouTube, please share your comments below. I'll be reading every single comment and I will be responding to that. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button for notifications and keep looking out for more of such videos. Cheers and God bless, and I look forward to serve you more in my future videos. Bye bye.